When federal immigration agents surged into Portland in September, the president said efforts there were needed to clean up the city.
There's a huge problem in Portland. I'll tell you what the problem is: crime.
But local leaders, including the city's police chief, said that was not true. That yes, there had been some protests, at times violent, but they were relatively small and could be handled by local and federal law enforcement.
It's just been terrible to see what ICE is doing to our communities. We're scared for our neighbors. We're scared for our friends.
On Friday, Trump appointed federal judge Karen Immergut, issuing a permanent injunction blocking troop deployment by the president into Portland. The ruling finding the president did not have a lawful basis to federalize the National Guard. The judge saying the federal government exaggerated claims of violence in the city and that there is no rebellion in Portland. The Department of Homeland Security responding, saying the president is using his lawful authority to direct the National Guard to protect federal assets and personnel in Portland. This weekend in Chicago, federal agents again clashing with protesters. Agents say during an operation in the Little Village neighborhood of Chicago, multiple gunshots were fired by somebody directly at the federal agents. Nobody was hit. The shooter got away. The president's efforts to deploy troops in Chicago also currently blocked by the courts. In Chicago, a federal judge also temporarily barring the Trump administration from deporting Diana Galliano, a daycare worker arrested by federal agents last week as parents were dropping off their children. The Department of Homeland Security accusing her of paying a smuggler to bring her own kids into the country, her attorneys saying she has a valid work permit.
They didn't just walk in chasing one person. They went into multiple rooms asking and looking for teachers.
And in Chicago, the federal government is appealing to the U.S. Supreme Court to be allowed to send in troops. And in Portland, it can ask the Ninth Circuit to overrule that Trump-appointed judge. Alex Stone, ABC News, Los Angeles.